कि वो सही नहीं था 40,000 इसलिए इस मर्तबा करेक्शन करके नहीं लिखे। ऐसा तो नहीं है ना साहब, नहीं है ना साहब। वो भी सच था और मैं जो बोल रहा हूं ये भी सच है जी। I had seen a picture in which I saw that Honorable Chief Minister साहब was handing over the budget का जो बैग होता है, बस्ता होता है, he was handing it over to Bhatti साहब. Bhatti साहब was there, ministers were there. Good. But and I'm sure that Honorable Chief Minister Saab also might be part of the preparation of the budget. But I'm so surprised, sir. I'm so surprised when I spoke about the foreign investment or any investors coming. Sir, Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Revant Reddy Saab, I think in one or two occasions, my learned friend, my colleague, my Minister Sridhar Babu Saab also was there with him. He had gone to Davos, right? And we have broken all the records. 40,232 crores of investment had come to Telangana. Am I right or wrong, sir? If I am wrong, Honorable Minister can, rise and interrupt me and stop me from this. So to my surprise, sir, to my surprise, and to the surprise of the House, not a single line has been mentioned in the budget. अरे आपका achievement है साहब ये. When I said that, I am willing to give you the time. I am willing to give you the time, and a new government requires a time to settle down, to take a decisions. But in no given time, you sign an agreement, you get an investment of 40,000, and that 40,000 doesn't have a place in the budget. So don't you think that this is a height of ignorance? Don't you think this needs to be corrected? And I'm saddened. I've been hearing the Congress, I've been hearing the finance minister, I've been hearing so many ministers rebutting and countering. But unfortunately, not a single member from the Congress rose and said that, sir, this is our achievement in such a short time.
Sir, I would like to bring to the notice of honorable member, sir. Sir, in the month of February, where we had the vote on account session, we mentioned this aspect. We mentioned the achievement of this state. And we were very clear, and we thought, and we have put, this is a broad-based, outlook we have presented on behalf of the government here. And in fact, the additional sentence would have made an impact that is been rightly be taken, but we have already reflected in our earlier presentation of the budget in the February. I would like to bring to the notice of the kind member.
Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, I thank Honorable Minister, Learned Minister for Legislative Affairs for replying to me. But sir, I have a doubt. He said that it was mentioned. It should have been mentioned here also. तो मैं ये जानना चाह रहा हूं, मेरे दिल में ख्याल आ रहा है, हो सकता है कि कई लोगों के दिल में भी ख्याल होगा कि वो सही नहीं था 40,000 इसलिए इस मर्तबा करेक्शन करके नहीं लिखे। ऐसा तो नहीं है ना साहब, नहीं है ना साहब। वो भी सच था और मैं जो बोल रहा हूं ये भी सच है जी। नहीं, मैं देखिए एक आपका अचीवमेंट है जिसको आप भूल गए, मैं आपके सामने ला रहा हूं। इसको तनकीद की नजर से ना देखें, इसको तामीर की नजर से देखें कि मैं आपको कह रहा हूं कि आपका अचीवमेंट है इन अ शॉर्ट टाइम 40,000 सर, इट हैज ब्रोकन ऑल द रिकॉर्ड्स. So this should have had a place in the budget. I know it was mentioned in the OTAN account, but many things were mentioned in the OTAN account which has been repeated again in this budget also. So this is a mistake which has been done. So let us admit this mistake and say that yes, we have forgotten, we will correct this and we'll make sure that when the Honorable Finance Minister gives a reply, he will mention this, sir.